Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by turning off the headphones and setting them on a clean, flat surface so parts won't roll away. Use your thumbs to pry the outer ring at the seam. Slow, even pressure prevents broken clips. Once the ring pops, lift the ear cup and note how the foam and wire sit. Take a quick photo for reassembly. These steps remove the first obstruction and preserve small parts, making the rest of the replacement straightforward and reversible. You'll now expose the driver and wiring. Do this gently so connectors remain intact. Disconnect any plug or ribbon by lifting the latch or sliding the connector straight out. This preserves pins and prevents damage. Peel away the old pad and adhesive slowly while you clean the flange with 70% isopropyl on a lint-free cloth because a clean surface ensures new adhesive sticks. Once done, compare the new pads opening to the driver to verify alignment before proceeding. You align the replacement pad so the driver lines up with the opening, then press around the circumference evenly to seat clips or bond adhesive. This prevents wrinkles and audio leakage. Reconnect any wiring and power on. Test audio at low volume to confirm both channels and noise cancellation behave correctly. If you hear buzzing or uneven sound, power down, reseat the pad, inspect connectors for debris, and ensure adhesive didn't contact the driver. Doing this fixes most post.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.